This now has done 129 pips. The average is 128. Yesterday, yes, was crazy at 300. So I need to move the stop on this again to protect it. And also, when I do this, I start looking at the 4-hour charts because I want to know, I often look for 3 candlesticks beyond. So here, if I look at this area here, price overnight spiked down to there. So if it's going to stop anywhere, it's 50% fib as well. That will be the low. And as it's already done its daily range, that will be a significant drop for this to go any lower. So now I have locked in 70 pips, but I don't want to sit and watch this thing bounce off the 55 and drop all the way back down again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take half off now, and I am going to leave the balance to run for now. In fact, I'm going to take 0.65 off for now. And that means now I've got 0.6 left. And this is how I would follow this. So if this carries on going up, the next time price consolidates, I will be looking to move my stop below the consolidation and below this 200 EMA. So what happened next? I showed you how I'd moved my stop initially here to lock in 70 odd pips. Then as that candle closed and the next one moved up, stopped at the 55 and struggled there for the next 12 hours as anticipated. Once this consolidated again, I then moved the stop up to here, and at that point I did take another 0.3 off this trade. So at that point of the second stage I took 210 pips, and finally this thing dropped like a stone. This dropped 450 pips in a 4-hour candle. So it was a huge move. This was a clue at the top of the move, but it was a multiple top on the trend line. This is a reversal candle. This was very unexpected. This was news related for the yens. So that is how I took the trade initially, how I moved the stop and managed the trade and scaled out. And it was for a net over 200 pips profit. And I can't remember the stop now, probably down here. So 50, 60 pips for the stop.